This is what your employee sees the moment they log in. Now, this employee woke up with a pending EMI and a tax query unanswered for months. He thought, let me book a financial doctor for me. And here he sees, so we have highly qualified financial experts as our financial coaches, certified financial planners to help your employees. So let's say he books Rishita and he books for this date and on a specific time, and this is how his meeting gets booked and gets scheduled on that specified date. He will connect to an expert. So this is the list of meetings, and whenever he clicks on join, the link gets generated 5 minutes before the session, and in this calendar he can see all the sessions he has scheduled, which are done, which are cancelled, which are no show or webinars, everything. Here he can see how many credits he has. So basically there are certain credits allotted to each employee which are auto approved beyond the limit if you want, so they can be approved by HR or admin. Here is the entire learning world waiting for them, and some expert articles help them make smarter money moves, books on taxation written by CA Rishita, very simple and easy books for common man that anyone can understand, and videos for someone who doesn't want to read, and knowing their money mindset, structured guided learning series, how they can save taxes as a salaried employee, which every salaried employee Googles in March, certain money questions which helps them in their financial journey, certain more financial reflections, and like that. Also, we have webinars which are very real, live, interactive. Employees have real questions, and the webinars are not theory, boring. They are fully practical. They ask questions from the real world. We also share everything what happens practically in the real world. And then there is a quiz. There are multiple quiz, so they tell these employees their money style. They can see their financial score here, their strengths, their blind spots, certain quiz on foundations, their progress trackers, salary, cash flow, investing, how much maturity. So I'm just selecting random answers to just show you result. The more they take quiz, the more they understand about themselves. This is powerful self-awareness. And when they have to take any money decision, these are the money tools which helps them understand, like, are they saving more or they saving less, is it healthy, or what is their ideal split, and is their emergency fund enough, are they saving enough, how much is their EMI, is it more or is it less. They can watch their SIP grow, and let's say I put some random amount and their annual return, and they can watch, okay, their SIP grow over time, certain key insights, why this works, what action they can take if it doesn't works for them, and everything. Also, they have access to messages. They can speak with their coaches, speak with their financial experts even after the session is over, and here they can raise the ticket if they have any other support required. And that's how FinSage gives financial clarity to your employees, and when they are financially clear, they are financially sorted, they perform better. And when your team performs better, your company grows. This is the dashboard of HR where you can see ROI of FinSage, everything what Namisha did, all her progress, her engagement. Here's the calendar, their progress, all the one-on-ones, all the live webinars. In fact, whenever a webinar is announced, you get the notification here, and also you get a badge here. So you can see, you can go to the webinar, and you can register specific attendees. Let's say you want only your marketing department people to attend, or you want only manufacturing department to attend. You can set up that. Learning Hub and quiz, how much your employees have been using. You have the access to messages where you can text to employees, admins. Here you can see how many credits are remaining, how much are received, how much are expired, how much are used by the employees, all the details. And in fact, let's say there are certain number of free credits you are allotting to employees, and then they are using more than that, so you will get the access to whether to approve it or not. Everything we can customize. This is the tools for the employees. Also, here at this section you get all the details, how many employees are active, the total sessions, how many are happening, how many campaigns are running. And here you can see the engagement, the credit usage, how much overview is there, how much in finance quiz, how much is happening, like what is the foundation checks, how many employees, like money stress at work. So what was the situation before, what is the situation after, everything. You don't have to chase, you don't have to follow up on emails. And coming back to the dashboard, so here is the financial framework. You get the document, and this is something where you have structured financial wellness programs. And when your CFO asks why the attrition is down, you can show them this dashboard. This is what a thriving company looks like from inside. And financially secure employees do not just perform better, they build better companies. If you want to see what this looks like specifically for your team, I have kept 20 minutes open this week. Link is right below.